the chair. Don't get up. I swear on the gods, I will push you over if you do. Oh no, you're getting up, aren't you? Money. I will pay you money to stay in the chair. And those people down there. I never liked them anyway. I'm happy they're dead. Please, just don't hurt me. Why is this happening? All I ever wanted was to learn a little magic, maybe smite a few enemies. Do you mean it? You're not trying to make me let my guard down, are you? Oh no, I just did. I've fallen right into your trap. Run! You're still here. Well, I didn't want to do this, but you leave me no choice. I'll have you know I'm no ordinary witch. Have you ever seen a Dremora Lord? Well, his name is Dravas, and he's a trained killer. Don't believe me? Then feast your eyes on this. See? I told you. That's a Dremora Lord, in the flesh. Leave, before I sick him on you. Well, that's because he's channeling his rage. Just look at him. He's a killer. Oh gods, it's true. He's completely useless. When I ask him to fight, all he does is wave his stupid tankard around. It's like he's not even here. They call it a bird's eye. Some say it's because it touches the sky. Others say it's because it's infested with hags. But you saw it. Mother Aegis is dead. All my sisters too. Which means I'll probably never become a matriarch. No! Of course not. I mean, you people kill the mothers, right? Then, why would I want to be one? No way, not me. I'm just a regular old student from the College of Windhelm on her way back home. Oh, well, in that case, maybe I do. But only because they're extremely powerful. It's not like I, want to look like a vulture. Really. Really? You do that for me? But wait, just mad. Oh gods, I didn't just talk you out of it, did I? Because there really might be a way, even without Mother Aegis. It's incredibly risky, and you might have to get your hands dirty. It requires ingredients. Well, not really ingredients as in feathers and plants. I don't want to scare you, but I need organs, and I need them fresh. Real fresh, as in ripped out from the body. Oh gods, no! I can't stomach all the blood. But there might be another way to remove the body parts without needles or sutures. You do realize we're talking about people, right? I mean, I need goat heads too, but we have plenty here already. Living organs are like soul gem fragments. They have lingering echoes of the soul. That's the difference between a beating heart and a still one, even if it's in a jar. You can even make a heart beat for hours outside the body, if the jar's filled with a special solution. Void salts, a torque-bog thorax, and a drop of lemon juice is all you need, but I prefer we find bodies who live nearby. Great! I know just the family. They live in a small cottage west of here, across from Lost Echo Cave. There's something about them I don't like. Something off. Don't get me wrong, I'm Sure, they're nice people once you get to know them, but not nice enough that I'd feel guilty about harvesting their organs. I need the potter's liver, the mother's toes, and the child's heart. If you do this for me, I'll pay you in gold. No, better than gold. I've got a special reward for you. You'll see. I don't know. I've heard only master conjurers can do it. But there was this peddler named Sam, and he sold me a tome. He said it was a special book made for novices. I can't tell you how excited I was when it actually worked. But then I tried to command him. I should have known it was too good to be true.
Welcome, traveler. It's been a long time since we've had an adventurer come through these parts. Surely you'll want to come in and rest your weary feet. No, don't thank me. My wife and I enjoy the company. My little one even more so. Say, you've got a nice set of earlobes on you. Where I come from, those are good luck. And good luck is contagious. You must stay the night.
Really, Papa? What about her toes? Are they big too? You said toes bring the best luck.
Oh, I don't know, child. They won't know until she takes off her shoes. But my money's on you, little giant. You and your mother are blessed with very large feet.
Really? You mean it, Papa?
Of course, my darling. Now go tell your mother we have a guest.
Okay.
And remind her to sprinkle salt on the floorboards by the entrance. The home has to be purified. Guest steps inside. In any case, judging by the smell, it looks like we're having stew. I hope you like churros.
So you must be the visitor Rennie told me about. Let me get a good look at you. Oh, I like the shape of your nose. I had a dream about a Falmer once, and he had the exact same one. That Falmer in my dream was very old, but had good skin, which means you'll age just as well. But excuse my manners. My name's Bet. The little one's Rennie, and you've met my husband Frodmar. My husband does like to exaggerate. Most adventurers can't tell the difference between churros and chickens. Last time it was dolphin pie, but if you look close, you'll see the flint of silver he keeps under his tongue. But for being a good sport, why don't you have a quick taste? Chickens or churros, I'm sure you'll like it. When you're done...
Is the meal ready yet, my love? The more I work, the hungrier I get, and it's been a long week.
Did you place the elf's ear in the boot like I told you?
I've been doing that, and chewing on them as well. Plus, I put one of those purple flowers under the cooking pot in the bed.
Oh, love, purple? You didn't leave nightshade under the pot again, did you? I told you it goes under the pillow.
Silly me. How's that rhyme go again?
When you're feeling blue, the color's true. When you're feeling high,
What would I ever do without my Rennie? Do you have any children, traveler? Surely you jest. What sort of sick deviant would raise a child that was not his own flesh and blood?
Oh, Fradmar, you're going to scare
Все мужики одинаковые, что в Скайриме, что в Хаммерфелле.
You're right. I apologize for making things so dour. My, that smells delicious.
Guest eats first. But not before we have a little conversation to whet our appetites. So is it true what they say? Had the dragons returned? Such a shame. But this is what happens when people forget the old ways. Every home should keep a dead bird over the mantle to ward off flying creatures. It's not just for crows, even feathers will do.
Ah, southerners with their troubles. Dragons, schmagons. It's what they get for living in such hot weather.
Mama, can I show the nice lady my bug collection?
After you finish your stew.
Don't let the girl have her fun. We can put the stew back in the pot for now. Let it warm up some more.
Yay! It's really impressive. On the table over there next to Ranger's skull. He keeps an eye on it for me.
Your brother always did enjoy playing with bugs, eating them too.
Not anymore, Papa. Not after you took away his teeth.
Ah, that's right. Poor Rainy was scared Reindeer Skull would eat her collection, so I had the lower jaw removed. Children have such wild imaginations. In any case, we have the jaw in a drawer for safekeeping. You must not be from around these parts. You go into any Nord home and you're likely to find somebody's skull lying about.
Of course, Fradmar wanted to have Rengir stuffed, but thankfully the wolves didn't leave much save the bone.
Aye, that would have been in poor taste. You don't want to honor a child so foolhardy. Still, he was our boy, and hopefully the gods won't mind us keeping his skull as a memento.
There you go again, husband, making things awkward for our guest. Can we just enjoy this nice meal I've cooked for all of you?
You're right, love. This is a joyous occasion. Our first visitor in, what is it, months?
Yes, the last one didn't stay for very long. I warned you about her. She had a mole on her cheek that was clearly a Daedric mark of some kind. Not that you could spot it the way you've been lately. Have you been putting the sheep's blood in your eyes every morning like I told you?
We killed the last sheep 2 seasons ago, as a sacrifice for the gods.
Right. What about this season? Did you remember to put the sacrifices by the altar?
Honey, we're taking care of it. Damn, we can't. We can't.
На диких просторах Скайрима не просто заработать на жизнь.
I knew it! I knew you wouldn't let me down. I mean, I was starting to doubt you just a little, but then I told myself, have faith, Misha, have faith, and it worked. I have the whole ritual prepared. Right this way. Watch your step. Got a little carried away with the blood. You don't want to slip and fall from here. Wow, this woman had Yude's feet. And do you know what they say about women with Yude's feet? I don't either. Anyways, in you go. Okay, what comes next? Do I slaughter another goat? I suppose another goat wouldn't hurt. Can you do me a favor and grab a goat hide from the crate, then toss it into the cauldron? Or was it a hog beak first, then a goat? I know the fattest are last, but what comes before that? Oh, damn it, Misha. Why can't you remember? By the crone, you did it! At least it sure seems like you did, the way that cauldron's bubbling. Oh gods, it sounds scary when you put it like that, but you're right. Courage, Misha. You didn't come this far to back out now. I don't know if this will work, or if I'll even survive. So here, this is the reward I promised you. It's the spell tome that Peddler gave me. Dravas doesn't fight, but he does draw attention. You know how it is. Pretty much everyone attacks the Dromora first. Wait, you don't like your gift? Damn it, I knew I should have went with a sack of gold. But people say that's so lazy. Either way, I guess it doesn't matter now. In about a minute, I'm going to be too powerful to care about anyone but myself. I call upon the crone of old to boil the venom of Bubble Toad, his swirls of guts and liver chopped, cook the first in this blackened pot. Eye of nude and flux of the crone, boil the rock in the second stones, lay of snake and magic's dark, drain the life of this child's heart. Round about the cauldron stirs, mortal skin to withered bird. From these four lives it drinks the stew, from which to hag be born anew.
It worked. Look